Hello everyone, I warmly welcome all of you in today's session. In today's session, we are going to start Unit 4, that is Traffic Signals and Traffic Islands, for 16 marks according to MSBT curriculum. In this chapter, we are going to study following points in detail, like traffic signals, its definition and purpose, types of signals, types of traffic control signals, or here we can say how the traffic control signals are being designed, in by which method they are being designed, like fixed time, manually operated, or actuated signals. As a fixed time, whenever you observe any kind of signal, there is a watch of 60 seconds, 30 seconds, 90 seconds, or 120 seconds. That is a time cycle in which any two or three intersections are being allowed to pass and any two or three intersections are allowed to stop. Likewise, the signal cycle is being get repeated with the help of red, yellow and green colors. Next we will see location of signals. How to locate signals which can be get easily accessible and visible from intersection point. Next we will see compute signal time by Next we will see traffic islands, in which definition, advantages, disadvantages of providing islands. Islands are nothing but the raised structure provided at intersection to divert the flow of traffic pattern. Next we will see types of traffic islands. Road intersections, when there is a level difference at intersection point between two roads or two different alignments of the roads. So what phenomena we proposed for the easy access and easy traffic flow, that we will study, that is road intersections, intersections at grade, and grade separators, like you observed overpasses, or which is called as flyovers, and underpasses. So at which location we have to propose such structures to divert the traffic flow, heavily loaded traffic flow, medium traffic flow, likewise. And the last was segregation of the traffic, how to classify the traffic flow and according to manage the traffic controlling devices, etc. So we will start with first point, traffic signals. Such type of signals you already have been observed at each and every intersection point, which consists of red, yellow and green light. Traffic signals control the flow of traffic through intersections. Even young children are taught what the three colors of traffic light means. Red means stop, yellow means caution and green means go. That you basic data already being known. What will be the actual or technical definition? It is a signal through its indications directing the traffic to stop and permit to proceed alternatively is called as traffic signal. ये क्या है? एक तरीके का indication which directing means give an direction to the traffic, either stop or permits or either passes alternatively. Alternatively means if there is an intersection of four roads, so two will be allowed to pass and two will be allowed to stop, and again these two will be an alternatively. Okay. Next we will see types of traffic signals. Which are different types of traffic signals? This is the first one, traffic control signal, which is already being implemented easily. Second is pedestrian signal, which is look like an person who can walk or who needs to get stopped. Whenever there is a red light in the first signal, so there will be the green, and it means pedestrians, the persons can walk through and at intersection through zebra crossing, right? If it is green, the persons can walk through zebra crossing. If it is red, then persons have to stop at an corner. Next is special type of traffic signals. As in the image you can see such type of elevated pole will be there. It includes signal also and signboards also, which will indicate future destination at what distance it is being there. Sometimes LED display will be there, like in the railway stations or the airports there is an LED display of flights and railways regarding time and destination. So likewise here there may be a chances of provision of LED displays which display the further location and at what distance. Such type of traffic signals will be called as a special type of traffic signals. Next we will see how this controlling system is being provided or managed or being categorized. First is fixed time signal. There is a categorization in the traffic control signals like fixed time signals. As the word is indicating, the time cycle will be fixed and repeatedly alternatively. It is most efficient at intersections where traffic patterns are relatively stable over long periods of time, which includes repeat cycle of red, yellow and green light. राइट जैसे आप लोगों ने देखा होगा 60 सेकंड का अगर साइकिल है तो उस 60 सेकंड में कोई भी दो तरफ से आने वाली ट्रैफिक अलाउ की रहेगी वो पास होने के लिए, कोई भी दो साइड की ट्रैफिक रुकी हुई रहेगी और ये साइकिल क्या है रिपीट हो जाता है. जैसे आपके सामने अगर रेड रहेगा तो जो दो पास हो रही है उनके सामने क्या रहेगा ग्रीन विल बी देयर राइट. और वो ग्रीन जब कन्वर्ट होता है तो वो पहले येलो होगा एंड अगेन इट विल बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू रेड. सच fixed time or fixed cycle of red, yellow, green will be get repeated. Therefore, their consisting starting time and duration of cycle length facilitates speed control through many intersections. Now second is manually operated signals. These signals are operated manually and not commonly used. Like in the first image from the to the left side you can see there is a red pole, right? In the first it is a stop, in the second it is caution and in the third proceed, right? Such type of signals are being manually operated and generally provided at the intersections on the railway track. For example, near Eknath Nagar you already have been faced such kind of phenomena. Whenever train passes the pole is at here, right? You have to stop over there and after passing the train it will get open slowly and get completely vertical, and in such situation you can proceed through that railway track, and such system is being get manually operated. That's a manual operated signal system. And in the another image you can see there is a person who is operating with the help of hand signs, right? जैसे ट्रैफिक पुलिस खड़ी रहती है तो वो क्या करते हैं ट्रैफिक साइंस देती है, हैंड साइंस हैंड मूवमेंट्स देती है जिससे कि क्या होता है आपको सिग्नलिंग सिस्टम्स वहाँ पे मॉनिटरेट की जाती है या ऑपरेट की जाती है, राइट. दीज टू आर द मैन्युअली ऑपरेटेड सिग्नल सिस्टम. नेक्स्ट वी विल सी ट्रैफिक एक्टिवेटेड सिग्नल्स. Now what is it? These are automatically adjusted to meet the need of traffic. They are efficient in movement of traffic even at intersections subjected to variation in volume. Such signals consist of a detector pad in the carriageway at same distance back from each stop line. अब एक्टिवेटेड सिग्नल्स क्या रहते हैं वो जो ऑटोमेटिकली ऑपरेट होते हैं स्टॉप लाइन के पहले. आपके ये जो इसके डिटेक्टर पैड्स रहते हैं सेंसर्स ये प्रोवाइड किए हुए रहेंगे कैरेज वे के ऊपर. जब जब उन पैड के ऊपर से व्हीकल गुजरेगा वो हिसाब से आपके सामने के जो भी डिस्प्लेज है वो चेंज होते जाएंगे. दिस डिटेक्टर्स enables to register every vehicle coming or passing at intersection. Such signals are expensive and used in developed countries. Like in the image you can see as this is your zebra crossing. Before that here or in front of it here there is a stop line, right? And before that stop line there are a detector on the carriageway are provided and they are connected to nearer traffic signal controller in which the total data is being collected and which operates GPS and gives a direction to the traffic flow through the GPS automations, right? Detection area, here this is a detection area. Below all the carriageway width, there is a detector path is being provided, which collect the signals whenever vehicle pass through it or passes on it, and pass that signal to the controller. That controller again is again programmed to access the signals at intersection point. This is one another image. This image shows like traffic signal controller, or first of all we can see communications or environmental data. Communications means vehicles passes on detectors. Second is traffic signal system at a TMC और अडाप्टिव ट्रैफिक सिग्नल. अब ये जो भी आपके डिटेक्टर्स लगे हुए हैं वो डेटा क्या करेंगे, कलेक्ट करके सेंड करेंगे आपके जो भी अडाप्टिव ट्रैफिक सिग्नल सिस्टम के एरियाज रहेंगे, या फिर रोड साइड में भी जैसे हम लोगों ने लास्ट इमेज में देखा था, यहाँ पर क्या प्रोवाइड किए हुए हैं, कंट्रोलर प्रोवाइड किए हुए हैं, वैसे ही वो सिग्नल्स कलेक्ट करेगा. It will passes to the controller and again controller will get program to operate these signals. अगर यहाँ पे दोनों तरफ ग्रीन रहेगा तो क्या होगा, इस तरीके के भी व्हीकल्स सामने आ जाएंगे, ये साइड से भी व्हीकल्स सामने आ जाएंगे और वहाँ पे ट्रैफिक जाम हो जाएगा या एक्सीडेंटल सिचुएशन क्रिएट हो जाएगा. इसलिए जब उनको डिटेक्टर जब डिटेक्ट करेंगे कि हियर इज ऑल्सो अ हेवी ट्रैफिक फ्लो, हियर इज ऑल्सो अ हेवी ट्रैफिक फ्लो, देन द प्रोग्रामिंग विल डिसाइड one should be get red, one should be get green, and if there is no chances of traffic, so it will be completely red. If in case any vehicle comes, so he will stop before passing that further line vehicles. So such system is called as a actuated signals. Okay, again in here in this image vehicle detector in this manner is being provided. अगर आप कैरेज वे के ऊपर नहीं प्रोवाइड कर सकते हो किसी रीज़न की वजह से, टेक्निकल रीज़न की वजह से और डिटेक्टर्स फेलियर की वजह से, so you can provide a vehicle detector like such which will collect the image of the vehicle passing through that lane. Okay, then again here pedestrian traffic light is again provided and one pole on which vehicle detectors are provided. These vehicle detectors collect the data passed through the controller. Again this signal is passed to the traffic light pole, right? This pole will be get operated with the help of this collector system. Again on every corner you need to provide such system. Now what is happening in the controller, traffic signal controller, it will collecting the data and manipulating it and taking the actions. Here you can see there is a one image processing vehicle detector is also provided, right, which will give you the count of the vehicle in and vehicle data like name, number plate, etc. So that data is also being processed through such type of detectors. Here it will collect only count of the vehicle, here it will collect all the details of the that particular vehicle. So what are the traffic control signals advantages and disadvantages? First is it will provide for the proper movement of traffic and can increase the traffic handling capacity at intersections. They reduces the accidental situations, they can provide continuous traffic and they improve quality of traffic flow as compared to police control. राइट जैसे अगर पुलिस रहेगा तो क्या हो जाएगा, आपका साइकिल फिक्स नहीं रहता है, किसी लेन को ज़्यादा टाइम लगेगा पास होने के लिए, किसी लेन को कम टाइम पास करेंगे वो लोग, तो वो इम्बैलेंस्ड हो जाता है. एंड प्लस ड्रॉबैक ये है कि